Hello friends, myself Mrs. Mohana Karangade. I'm here with logic gates. Today's topic is logic gates. First of all, what is exactly mean by logic gates? But before that, I'll explain the history about that logic gates. In 1854, George Boole developed a mathematical system in logical statements or operations through this process are represented by mathematical expressions. This logical algebra is known as Boolean algebra. The variables in these expressions are either 1 or 0 value. The logic functions are and, or, not. These are the logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of all the digital systems. And, or, and not. These gates are called as basic gates. So first, AND gate. This AND gate used in electronic circuit which has two or more inputs and one output. It produces high output only when all the inputs are high. Otherwise, it remains low. This AND gate operation is represented by dot sign. This is the symbol of the AND gate. And come to the truth table of the AND gate. These are the two inputs A and B, and Y is equals to A dot B. This is output. If both the inputs are high, that is 1, the output will be 1. Now OR gate. OR gate is also used in electronic circuits which has two or more inputs and only one output. This is the symbol of the OR gate. The equation is y is equals to a plus b. This plus sign indicates OR operation. This is the truth table of the OR gate. It has two inputs and one output, that is y is equals to a plus b. When both the inputs are high, the output will be 1, and when both the inputs are low, the output is also low. Now come to the NOT gate. It is important gate in the electronic circuit, having only one input and only one output. It produces high output when its input is low, and it produces low output when its input is high. That is, its output is not of input or complement of input. NOT operation is indicated by drawing bar over the variable. This is the symbol of the NOT gate, and this is the truth table of the NOT gate. When the input is 0, its output will be 1. This is the formula, that is y is equals to a bar, and when input is 1, output will be 0.